Alright guys, hope you are enjoying all these interesting questions and also looking at the speed and the time that you're taking to do the questions and understanding the way I am doing it so that you can solve that very fast. So now here's a question. The difference between a 4-digit integer and its reflection must be divisible by which of the following? These are the options. So first of all, here I've underlined must. So remember, when must is there, it is try to do with logic rather than plugging in values, because you want to get an answer 100%. If you plug in some values, you may get an option, but then it may not be the correct answer. Maybe some other option is also correct for some other value that you are plugging in. So I suggest don't go for plugging in whenever you have a must be question. Okay, go for logic, go for the concept. So what's the concept here? A 4-digit integer can be written like this: A, B, C, D. Now D is in the units place, C is in the tens, B is in the hundreds, and A is in the thousands. So let's expand this. So we can write like this: 1000A plus 100B plus 10C plus D. Correct? Reverse it. The reflection means reverse. So D, C, B, A, and if you open this up, you'll get 1000D, 100C, 10B plus A. Right? Now the difference between the two. So 1000A minus A, which will be 999A, 100B minus 90B, which will be 90B, 10C minus this, which will be minus 90C, and lastly D and this, which will be minus 999D. And as you can now see, what is common between all of them is 9. So there is a factor of 9 which is common between all of them, and hence we can say safely that it is must be divisible by 9. D is the answer.